Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of 1 minus 2 sin x to the power of 2 over 1 plus sin x to the power of 2 dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to multiply with cosecant of x to the power of 4. So in this situation, on numerator you got about cosecant of x to the power of 4 minus 2 cosecant of x to the power of 2. Similar in here, cosecant of x to the power of 4 plus cosecant of x to the power of 2. Now we need to do factorization. For this one we have cosecant of x to the power of 2. So we do about cosecant of x to the power of 2 multiply with cosecant of x to the power of 2 minus 2. Similar in here. Next, we have cosecant of x to the power of 2 equal to costan x to the power of 2 plus 1. So we change this one in here, here and here. This one you got about negative number 1. This is number 2. Now we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to costan x, du equal to negative cosecant of x to the power of 2 dx. Because we don't have a negative in here, so we put the negative next to the u. This one you change u square. This one we change for u square. Cosecant of x dx we change for negative du. Next, we add number 1 in here. So that's when we need to minus number 1. Negative number 1, you got about negative number 2. U square plus 1 divide u square plus 1. Or maybe we can change a little bit. So we don't need add number 1, we add number 2. So that's a negative number 2. So this is negative number 3. U square plus 2 divide u square plus 2. You will get about this one divide this one, and you will get about 1 over u square plus 1 minus number 3 multiply with this one. So we put number 3 in here, and now we have u square plus 2 minus u square plus 1 u square minus u square, that we cancel 2 plus 1 2 minus 1, you got about number 1, so that's why we don't need to divide anything. U square plus 2 divide u square plus 2, you will get about 1 over u square plus 2. And we have the next one, u square plus 1 divide u square plus 1, you got about 1 over u square plus 2. This one you got about negative number 3. This one you got about positive number 3 because we have the negative in here. One minus 3, you got about negative number 2. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over u square plus 1, you got about r times of u. The integral of 1 over u square plus 2, you got about 3 over the square root of number 2 multiplied with r times of u over the square root of number 2. So about u, we need to change back for cosine s. And this is the final answer.